Ever wonder what happens when you put your favorite creamy mayonnaise together with homemade pasta? Today, we are cooking up something so scrumptious that you never look at regular pasta in the same light again. Welcome back to our channel. And if you have ever Googled how to cook pasta from scratch or how do I cook pasta, then you are in for a treat, because today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade sauce, homemade pasta, and lots of flavor from scratch. Mayonnaise pasta. So long story short, I had craving for 1 week for something rich and creamy, but I didn't have any of those fancy sauces in the house. That's where I noticed I had this jar of mayonnaise in my fridge and thought to myself, what if I take this and make it into a pasta sauce? Long story short, it was amazing. So now I'm letting you in on that secret recipe. Here's what you need. 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, a dash of salt, a tablespoon of olive oil, mayonnaise, the star of the show, chili flakes, garlics, cheese, totally optional but well worth it. Alright, let's start with the basic. You can't have great pasta unless you master how to make pasta dough. Place your flour on a clean surface, make a small well, and crack it into 2 eggs. Throw in splash of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Mix and knead until it becomes smooth dough. This is the exact way to make homemade pasta that's restaurant quality. If you have ever thought to yourself, how do you make homemade pasta? Well, here you are. Knead, roll, and rest for approximately 20 minutes. After you allow your dough to rest, roll it thin and cut it into your desired shape, spaghetti, ravioli. And yes, this dough can be used for all of it. You can use to study making homemade ravioli and how to make homemade spaghetti as well. After shaping, dust with a small amount of flour to avoid sticking. Should you decide to store it in the future, here's how do you dry homemade pasta. You just have to hang it in a cool, dry place for several hours. Now, let's cook. Bring to a boil a pot of salted water. Add your fresh noodles in just 2 to 3 minutes will do. That's the way to cook pasta at home. Fresh pasta is a lot quicker than dry store-bought stuff, so watch it. Meanwhile that's boiling, let's make our creamy mayo sauce. Over a pan, place a spoon of butter, minced garlic, and a pinch of chili flake for heat. Then mix in mayonnaise and splash of pasta water. Mix until smooth. That's how to prepare a homemade sauce within minutes. You may also add tomato sauce if you like to prepare homemade spaghetti sauce, or how to prepare homemade pasta. Now your sauce is creamy. Toast it in your pasta and cover it well. Top with cheese, herbs, and aioli. And there you have it. Creamy, rich, impossibly delicious homemade pasta made with mayonnaise. If you never had this combination before, trust me, it's a total game changer. Let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite pasta type? Spaghetti? Ravioli? If you like this recipe and want to learn how to prepare homemade pasta or prepare pasta at home in other creative steps, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another homemade recipe. Thank you for watching, and remember, the best food is the one cooked with love and occasionally a bit of mayonnaise.